Right, hello and welcome to another episode of Gotta Eat, Breakfast Edition. Today we are making a no-bake corn flake peanut butter takeaway. Let's get to it. What you're gonna need is 2 cups of corn flakes. We are using honey glazed corn flakes today. You're gonna need 1/3 of a cup of sugar, granulated white sugar, 1/3 cup of peanut butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/3 of a cup of honey. Let's get into it. You wanna take your, I always say that you wanna take your, why do you wanna take your? You wanna take your? You wanna take your? You wanna take your? So the first thing that we need to do in the process is we need to put our sugar, our peanut butter, ooh, sticky icky. Whoa. That's great. Make sure you get all that peanut butter goodness. I like peanut butter. I don't know if you guys have realized that, but I love some peanut butter. Right, peanut butter and your honey into your pot. You want to cook it on a low heat because you don't want it to burn. Okay. That's where the sound comes from. It's the small things in life. 1/3 of a cup of honey into the mix. All right, so when everything is nicely in the pot, you want to turn it on, remember, onto a low heat. Melted. Oh, okay. There you go. That's it. Okay, remember to continually stir it. You don't want to walk away from it, especially if you've got a hot plate like mine that gets really, really hot quite quickly. You don't want the sugar to burn, you don't want the honey to burn, and especially if your pot is really hot, it won't take that long to mix together and create this slimy, gooey, ooey session. Smells delicious. All right, just as it starts to boil, you want to take it off of your heat, add in your vanilla extract. Oh, careful, careful. Hot, 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 hot. As it's cooling down, you want to do this whole process quite quickly. Thank you. Because it's gonna set really fast. So you want to mix your vanilla extract in there, take your cornflakes, in you go. And you want to kind of just fold this into your mix right in the pot, because we're going to decant it really quickly after this. This is something that's really good for kids to take to school, for hubbies that are lazy and don't really eat that much during the day. I know my brother doesn't, he hates it. So this will be something really cool for him as a little takeaway in the morning. This, alongside with your overnight oats, is a great way to start the day, and it's something that you can do the night before. And this one, you don't even have to put this into the fridge. You can just leave this on your countertop and it will dry. Right, can you see it's getting all sticky icky? Take your 2 spoons. You want to make a little mound. Oop, there you go. Onto your baking tray. All right, try and make it as round as possible, because don't forget, all the sugar is now going to dry and it's all going to stick together, because we're all in this together. If you're a stickler for circular things and you want them to be a little bit more profesh looking, you can also use a ice cream scoop. Kind of like this, gives it a more home industries kind of vibe. Kind of, yo, Rich, make your breakfast, eh? Okay, so for all of you out there that are worried about, cooking for the first time, don't worry about it, because everyone will say, oh my goodness, it's so good. Right, so once you have made all of your little cornflake treats ready to go, you can either leave them on the countertop to dry and to cool off naturally, or you can chuck them in the fridge and it'll just speed up the process. So let's go ahead and do that. Great. So we'll see you in about 5-10 minutes to give them a little bit of a taste. Oh wait, a little bit of entertainment. Right, I think it's been long enough. Let's get our cornflakes. Oh. You're gonna wanna see this. How great do they look? Okay, so like I said, if you're serving this up for your kids or your hubby, you wanna get yourself a nice Tupperware, and then serve it up and get it ready to go. Let's check it out. Oh, sticky icky. Oh, this is why you use baking paper. Oh, look at that, look at that. So beautiful. There we go, okay? Let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Can you hear a crunch? So good. So easy to make. Quick sticks in the morning or the night before. Just chuck it in the fridge and you're good to go. Your family will love it. You will love it. Everyone will love it because everyone's got to eat.